Hello creators, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create this cyberpunk text animation. So without any wait, let's jump into After Effects and see how to create this text animation. Here you need to add your first text. Here I will add this text. Make the required adjustment as shown. Now to animate the text layer, go to Animate, select Opacity, set Opacity to 0%. In Range Selector, at Start, create keyframe for start. Now at 15 frames, set start to 100. Now move 10 frames forward. Create keyframe for start. Now move 15 frames forward, set start to 0%. Now in Advance, change Random Order to On. Set Random Seed to 10. Now add Property, Character Offset. Set Character Offset to 10. Perfect. Now for text layer, go to Layer Style, add Stroke. In Stroke, set Stroke Color. Here you can set any color of your choice. Set Size to 1. Set Opacity to 85%. Now in Blending option, in Advanced Blending, set Fill Opacity to 7%. Perfect. Now let's create duplicate of this text layer. Place it at 1 second. Let's change the text to the final display text. Change the font style and align text to center. Perfect. Let's remove the end 2 keyframes for text layer. Now place this keyframe at 2 seconds. Perfect. Now let's add the dummy text. Here you can add any text of your choice. Reduce the font size and tracking size. Now we will animate this text layer. From Animate, add Opacity, set Opacity to 0%. In Range Selector, at Start, create keyframe for start. Now at 10 frames, set Start to 100%. Now at 20 frames, set Start to 50%. Now move 20 frames forward, set Start to 0%. In Advance, change Randomize Order on. Set Random Seed to 20. Change Based on to words. Perfect. Now create duplicate of this text layer. Position it. Add Fill Effect. Here you can set any color of your choice. Now again create duplicate. Position it. Change Fill Color. Perfect. Our text part is complete. Select all layers and pre-compose it. Perfect. Now let's create a new solid layer. This will be our noise layer. Add fractal noise to the solid layer. For noise, change type to block. Set contrast to 250. Now at start, create keyframe for brightness and set it to -180. Now at 2 seconds, set brightness to 180. Set complexity to 3. In Transform, uncheck Uniform Scaling. Set Scale Width to 450. Set Scale Height to 50. Now at Start, create keyframe for Evolution. At 1 second, set Evolution to 150 degree. Now again add Fractal Noise. Set Noise Type to Block. Set Contrast to 200. At Start, create keyframe for brightness. Set it to -180. At 1 second, set brightness to -100. Set complexity to 2. For Transform, uncheck Uniform Scaling. Set Scale Height to 15. Change Blend Mode to Screen. Now let's pre-compose it. Now hide it. Place it below. For this text composition, we will add Glow Effect. For Glow, set Glow Radius to 250. Set Glow Intensity to 0.5. Now add Displacement Map. Change Map Layer to Noise. At Start, create keyframe for horizontal displacement. Set displacement to 250. Now at 2 seconds, set displacement to 0. Set vertical to 0. Now select Keyframes. Change Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Adjust the speed graph as shown. Place this composition at 15 frames. Now create duplicate of the text composition. Remove the displacement effect. Adjust the start position. Trim it as shown. Now add Vegas to the text composition. In image contour, set channel to alpha. Set threshold to 70. Set blur to 1.7. Tolerance to 0. Set segments to 1. At 1 second, create keyframe for length. At start, set length to 0. Select random phase, set random seed to 10. For rotation, while pressing Alt key, click on stopwatch for rotation. Enter expression time, *2000. Now change blend mode to transparent. Set color of your choice. Set width to 0.5. Set midpoint opacity to 1. Perfect. Now create duplicate of the text composition. Randomly trim it and position it on timeline. Now from text composition, copy the displacement map effect. Paste it over above text composition. Now again create duplicate of text composition. Remove the displacement map effect. Position it on timeline. Trim it randomly. Now create duplicate of the below text composition. Now place it above. Randomly trim it and position it. For all text composition, change mode to add. Now let's see the complete preview. Perfect. This is how you can create Cyberpunk text animation. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you in next week with another awesome tutorial. Thank you.